Are you struggling with chronic pain or arthritis? Imagine waking up pain-free without the fear of making your pain worse and finally getting your life back. At Empower Physical Therapy, we are one of the few clinics in the DFW area that is offering regenerative shockwave therapy. This event is going to help you personally unlock new ways to heal faster, even if you've tried everything and nothing has worked for you. If you are struggling with a chronic injury or even a recent injury and you are looking to speed up your healing by 50%, even on the toughest cases, then this event is for you. If you have plantar fasciitis, knee arthritis, finger arthritis, rotator cuff tears, frozen shoulder, back pain, just to name a few, then you will want to hear about how this new technology has an 82% success rate. We only have spots for 10 people because we want to make it a personalized experience to get answers to your questions specifically. Click to reserve your spot now so we can give you hope that you can live an active life as you age.